this video, I'm going to show you how to get an instant bank account and an instant credit card for as low as just 1 Ghana cedi. The bank we are going to use in this video is Ghana Commercial Bank, and this is their mobile banking app. So you'd have to download the app, and you can find the app on your Play Store or on your App Store. After downloading the app, you just have to open the application or launch the application. After launching, you will see this interface. Then you go to register. After tapping on register, you come to get started, and you have to choose between these options. So you come to open GCB instant account because you don't have any of these two options here. Then we go to next. After going to next, you tap on next again. Then you fill these forms over here: your number, your mail, your national ID, especially your Ghana card. Then you select your title. After doing everything, you mark this box over here. Then you tap on next. This is how the app looks like after you are done registering. Please make sure that every details you give them are legit details. They are correct details, else your account might be suspended or you might have to go to the bank to correct things. Now that you have successfully created the account, what is left right now is to deposit into the account and use that money to create an instant virtual card. If you want to deposit into your account, you just have to copy your account number, and this is your account number. Now let's send money from our mobile money account to the GCB instant account. I am using Telecel, and it's almost the same process for MTN. All you have to do is to dial *110#. Then you go to send money to bank account. Then you choose option 3. Then you choose option 1, GCB Bank. Then you paste your account number over here. Then you paste the number again. So you can see my name over here. Then you tap on option 1, confirm. Then you input the amounts. Then you continue from there. So as soon as you finish the whole process, it will take like 30 seconds. Your money is going to reflect into your instant account. Now let's go back into our GCB account after depositing the money. So if you want to create the virtual card, you just have to come to the third tap over here, down here. Then you tap on the card button. Then you go to GCB virtual cards. It's going to take some time to load. Then you go to request a new virtual card. I'm already having one, but let me go to request a new virtual card. So you have the option to choose from the account you want, and it's going to be from the instant account. So you are going to mark this box over here. Then you go to submit. And mind you, the card is just 1 Ghana cedi. So you can see over here the insurance fee, 1 Ghana cedi, Michael Kumilabi, blah blah blah. Then you tap on confirm. Right after you tap on confirm, you let me do it. You have to enter your PIN over here. So after entering your PIN, you are going to see that they deducted 1 Ghana cedi from your account. So it's down here, virtual card question 1 Ghana cedi. Yes, so it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And I think that's all for today. If you have any question, reach out to me. I'm going to leave my handles in the description of this video. Once again, follow me for more tech tips. And as usual, spreading tech wisdom everywhere.